What if I told you that some of the best cleaning secrets don't come from expensive products? Today, you'll discover powerful cleaning hacks that can make dirty items look brand new again.
Put a sock over a plastic bottle. Squeeze on some dish soap. It cleans 10 times better than dry cleaning. If you accidentally get oil stains on clothes, mix toothpaste, dish soap, and white vinegar. Soak for 10 minutes, then rub the stained area with your hands. Your white clothes will be clean like new. Don't throw away clothes with yellowed collars. Let salt, dish soap, and alcohol react together. It not only removes yellow stains, but also restores the collar. White sneakers look great but are hard to clean. Soak soap in water. Spray 75% alcohol onto the sneakers. Use a brush dipped in soapy water to scrub. Alcohol has strong dissolving power. It can dissolve stubborn stains and eliminate mold and bacteria on the surface, preventing yellowing from oxidation at the source. This is the most effective shoe cleaning method I've found. Rice washing water is very useful. Add white vinegar and baking soda to it. Soak dirty rags in it. Leave for 15 minutes, then wash. The starch in rice water absorbs grease from the rag and emulsifies the oil. It's also gentle on your hands. The cleaned rag will be fresh and odor-free. Wrap soap in a facial towel. Spray it with medical alcohol. Rub repeatedly on dirty areas of a down jacket. It can break down stubborn dirt. Add a few drops of white vinegar and clean the stained area again. If you don't want to wash the whole down jacket, this method will solve it. How to clean dirty slippers. Add dish soap, white vinegar, and salt to water. Soak the slippers for 5 minutes to make cleaning much easier. See how obvious the results are after cleaning? Give it a try.